In this case, the Delhi High Court addressed a significant dispute between exporters and the Directorate General of Foreign Trade, DGFT, regarding the legality of a policy circular issued on 21 October 2011. The circular restricted export incentives under the Focus Product Scheme, FPS, to only 33 items listed in an annexure, despite the original provisions of the Foreign Trade Policy, FTP, 2009 to 2014 and Handbook of Procedures, HBP, allowing benefits for all woven fabrics of synthetic filament yarn under ITC, HS, Code 5407. Exporters challenged the circular, arguing that their products were eligible for FPS benefits under the original policy and that the DGFT lacked the authority to amend the policy through a circular. They also contended that the retrospective application of the circular from 1 April 2011 was unlawful. The High Court upheld the exporters' challenge, striking down the DGFT circular. The court ruled that the DGFT could not restrict the scope of eligible products under the FPS through a clarificatory circular, as this amounted to an amendment of the policy, which the DGFT was not authorized to do. Additionally, the court emphasized that retrospective amendments to the FTP were not permissible under the Foreign Trade, Development and Regulation Act, 1992. The court relied on the Supreme Court's judgment in Union of India v. Asian Food Industries, 2006, 13 SCC 542, which clarified that policy changes under the FTDR Act cannot have retrospective effect and that vested rights of exporters cannot be taken away retroactively. This landmark judgment reinforces the principle that policy changes must follow due process and cannot be implemented retroactively, ensuring transparency and fairness in trade regulations. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.